Hi guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. Now you might be wondering why I'm starting this vlog in the kitchen. That is because I'm making for myself some detox water. If you're like me and you haven't been able to follow a strict diet before the important events, it's a good idea to at least one day before the event have some detox water throughout the process. So while I'm doing my whole transformation, I will be having some detox water. Anjali, hi do bolo. Detox water helps improve mood and energy levels. It helps in weight loss in the long run. As you keep on working your transformation, as you keep on doing your makeup and your outfits and everything else, you can keep on sipping this. Now, as you know, we're doing a whole transformation, a wedding guest transformation, and this is something you can do in honestly under a few hours, like under 4 or 5 hours. And obviously if you're getting ready for a wedding, itna time to lagta hai yaar. Now before anything else, let me tell you that the lockdown seriously messed up my sleep schedule. I was sleeping at 2, waking up at 12, and because of that I wasn't even getting quality sleep because I was waking up late and then I was working, sleeping at 2. So I just felt like I needed good quality sleep to be able to get rid of the dark circles. Now obviously when you're getting ready for a wedding, the last thing you want are dark circles, and to get rid of dark circles, obviously you have makeup, but what's very, very important is your quality of sleep. And for that, my mom recommended that I get a new mattress for my bed because abhi jo hai, it's a cloth mattress. I'll show you. She suggested something that aligns my spine and supports my back. Something with a breathable cover so it doesn't retain heat, and during those summer nights it keeps me cool. Something that's light, has air circulation, and is anti-allergic. So I found Emma mattress which has all of these properties plus a removable zip cover which can easily be rewashed. It's highly durable, 100% vegan and organic, and it comes with a 100-day trial which I feel is great. The way you feel when you're awake largely depends on how you sleep, and that's why quality of sleep is very, very important, especially when you have an important event to attend. You must not compromise on that. It's one of the most awarded mattresses in the world, and rightly so. It comes with an 11-year warranty, and they also provide free and fuss-free delivery and returns. The best thing is we approached Emma and they were kind enough to give a 5% discount for my viewers. There's a 40% off going on Emma right now. Plus, if you use the code EMMASANA, you get a 5% off. So imagine it's like 45% off, which is you're basically getting a mattress for half its price. That is crazy. So it's the right time to buy it, and it's only for you guys. I'll leave all the details about the mattress in the description box below, so make sure you check it out and get some quality sleep for yourself. If you have a good skincare routine before all your functions, that is amazing. But if you don't, I have this face pack that my nanny always uses, and I've been using it as well. I use it once every week, and it gives you that instant glow, you know. You can find all these ingredients at home, so you don't have to go out and get something. You bought basic cheese, and everybody can do this. If your skin is feeling dull, just take this, and I'm gonna take it on my fingers. Just start applying. One thing that I would recommend is when you're going for a wedding or any important function, make sure you don't apply any products or any ingredients that you haven't tried before, because you might not know what would react to your skin, and you don't want to take any chances before an important day, right? If you have any left over, just keep it in the fridge and you can use it later as well. Alright, now let's get to makeup. For makeup, I feel like the key is to keep it light and not make your base very heavy, because under the harsh lights and under cameras, every dot of your skin is perfectly visible, and if you powder a lot and if you make it very cakey, it will show, and you don't want to have that powdered look in the photographs. So that is what you don't have to do. I do have a couple of videos where I show you how I do the festive makeup look, so I'm going to do something similar today as well because I absolutely love that. I will leave a link right here in case you want a tutorial on that, but this is just going to be some tips and tricks when you're doing your wedding guest makeup look, right?
what are you doing?
Hi. So I am just making the outfits ready, and one thing that I really feel before any festive season, any wedding season is that you need to have your outfits ready and you need to decide what to wear when, right? Where I feel a lot of people go wrong is they pick out one garment from a very super expensive designer store and then they can't rewear it, they can't repurpose it, they can't restyle it. Instead of that, I picked up these three from Ishnya. They're very economical. Ishnya's range starts from 3,500 and goes all the way to 7,000. So instead of buying one, you can buy so many. Ishnya is a homegrown brand. They print their own fabrics and they curate very nice light festive wear. So you can wear it for pujas, you can wear it during other festivities, and of course during the wedding season as well. So this one is my favorite. I'm going to go and change into this real quick. Alright, next let's talk about accessories. The right accessories can make or break your look. The right amount of accessories can bring it all together, but going overboard can make everything look like a disaster, alright? So let me help you out over here. If you're wearing heavy earrings, it's a good idea to let your neck be the way it is. You don't need to add a necklace on top of it. Similarly, if your outfit has a heavy neckline, has a lot of embroidery going on the neckline, again it's a good idea, let the necklace be. Pull your hair away from your face, wear nice hoops. What you want is that the emphasis should be on your face and on your outfit. So balance is the key, and along with that you can add a few colors in your hand, maybe 2 or 3, and a few bangles in your hand. It always brings the whole thing together. And don't forget to add a watch, always looks very classy. Carry a clutch, just a very nice bearish clutch, whichever one is your favorite. Put all your stuff inside it and then you can rush out. And please don't forget to add a bindi. Alright, next let's talk about photos. So after your outfit is done, your accessories are done, the next most important thing is getting those photos for Instagram, right? So for photos, I have 3 very important things that I want to tell you. 2 are poses and 1 is like a little hack. So the first pose that you can do is the dupatta twirl pose. You basically move around, twirl with your dupatta, and make sure that the photos you're clicking are in burst mode. So you will get that perfect frame where your hair is flying in the air, your dupatta is flying in the air. It looks very royal. The second one is to do that shy candid pose, right? So just look down, look away from the camera and let the photographer do his magic or her magic. And then the third one that is like my favorite hack of all time, and for all festive photos or wedding photos, is something that I make sure I do. Put your phone's camera on the panoramic setting and just make sure that you put it horizontally and take it from down to up all the way like that, and that gives a very nice wide angle look. I will leave a screen recording on the screen so you can have a look at how we did it, and I think that looks stunning. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that next time you're getting ready for a wedding, or if you have a wedding to attend right now, I hope you get some awesome pictures, and I hope you literally steal the show. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below letting me know what other videos you want to watch. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and join our family as well. And one last thing before I leave, I do go live on Instagram. My ID is right over here, so make sure you join us over there as well. All the products that I mentioned will be linked down below, so make sure you have a look at the description box as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye-bye.